Okay, how to record guitar using GarageBand on iPhone. Now I have my guitar connected to audio interface, which I have shown how to connect before. It's the Zoom AMS24, so it's already connected. And now let's launch the app, and I'm going to show you how to record 2 guitar tracks so you can jam. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you launch the interface, but you want to make sure that your guitar is being picked up. In my case, yes it is. You see the green bar heading out there. The other thing you want to do is you want to make sure the monitor is on, so let's turn the monitor on. Okay, so now you'll be able to hear yourself on your headphones when you start recording your track. So let's get some guitar going in here. Now it's already going in, but I want to make sure that the track is going to be an instrument. So to do that, let's tap on here, and we want to make sure that this is tapped to instruments. Okay, when that happens, it's going to change. So we're not doing a mic, we're doing an instrument. So what we're going to do is swipe to the left, and then here we got our amp. We want to do some distorted guitar, so we're just going to tap on this. And by the way, this is all free, so it's on the app and you can easily just use all this. So let's tap on the amp with distortion, and now you have an amp. Now one thing to note is that when I'm playing and recording it, I don't hear the distortion. So if anybody knows how to do that, let me know, and I'll figure that out. But for right now, my guitar comes in clean, and then I add distortion afterwards. So let's record a track. Let me show you what that is going to look like. So when we do a track, we're going to hit record right here, which is this red button. So let's tap on that. Okay, so now we recorded our first track. Let's hit the stop button. Okay, now it's gonna be highlighted in blue. So your first track is on there now. So now, and if you want to see it differently other than how this is shown on here, we can just tap this button right here, and that's going to show us the track right here. Now you can change the name too if you don't want it to be called Glam Rock or anything like that. You can just change the name. Now we want to add another track. So in order to do that, so we can jam to this, we're going to hit this plus button here. Okay, that takes us back to this interface. So we want to do a solo. So we want to once again add. Now it takes you back to this amp display here, but we want to see to make sure that we have 2 tracks. So now you can see that we definitely do have 2 tracks, and now we have another amp icon here. And when we hit record, we're going to be able to record right on the bottom track now, the second track. And let's do a solo. Let's listen to what that sounds like. Let's stop the recording right there. Let's go back to the tracks, and now you can see that we have 2 tracks, and that's how you record the 2 different tracks from the recording. And we can listen back to it, and now add the audio so you can see how all that sounds.